hazardous class, if but you don't really want to put danger up on placard. You don't want to put that, because that make you a target. Because I remember when I first started driving with hazardous waste, probably like 7 years ago. That's the first one I picked, because I didn't fully understand. Good hazard, man. Hazmat. Good placard in. Got over 1,000 pounds of corrosive, so I had to placard up. Yes, sir. Not perfect, but it's on it. All right, time to go. I close that door. Time to hit this road, y'all. Got like a 3-hour drive going to Orlando area. Yeah. Tap in with y'all in a few while I'm on the road. Y'all gonna ride out with me today. We back. Yeah. We back like we never left. People, what it is, as you can see, you saw my load. That load is delivered now. Well, that load was from Opa-locka, Miami to Orlando. Quick trip, 3.5 hours drive. Strictly hazmat. Right now, I'm dealing with hazmat, guys, But, I didn't have the placard for that load. Why I didn't have the placard? Because none of the one that's considered hazardous was over 1,000 pounds. Now, if you don't know, when a certain hazardous class is over 1,000 pounds, you placard for that. Majority of the stuff that I picked up was non-haz, but it's still considered hazardous waste, right? But you can also placard danger when it's a combination of different hazardous class. But you don't really want to put danger up on placard. You don't want to put that, because that make you a target. Because I remember when I first started driving with hazardous waste, probably like 7 years ago. That's the first one I picked, because I didn't fully understand how to figure out what's what and what you placard for. So I just put danger. Danger just is a combination of all the other stuff. So this load, I didn't have to placard. I didn't have to placard for it because I didn't have enough hazardous waste. I think. Let me think. I think majority. I don't think I had any hazardous waste. If I did, I probably had like maybe 200 pounds of waste. The total weight of that trailer was probably like 20,000, something like that. Nothing crazy. The majority was non-haz. So as you can see, I'm sure either I'm showing you the video now while I'm talking over it, or I showed it before. But majority of that was non-haz. It was an easy drive, quick drive, man. 3.5 hours. When I was OTR, 3.5 hours, there's nothing. I jump in 3.5 hours just to go pick up a load if it makes sense enough. So, but that's where we at. I'm be giving y'all more load, more content. More content as far as semi. I mean, it's semi now. I don't know if you guys know, but I had a Class A license for the last 7-8 years, but I never used it. So now I'm using it. All right, so I'm fairly new. Well, I'm not. Yeah, I'm new in the Class A section, but I gotta learn. Yeah, I gotta learn. I got things to do. You know, things to do, places to go, people to meet. So I decided to get active with the Class A. I got my Class A 2017. Got a job right out of school. Never really drove a Class A, but here we are. I'm doing it though. Now I have some days with, it's not. I back it in there with no problem. But you know, my pull-ups, I might pull up 3-4 times. You know, maybe even 5. But I'm gonna get it in there. I'm not gonna hit nothing either. So I know what I'm doing. I'm just not at the point where I'm super confident with my backing, driving straight, turning, blah blah. I know how to do all that. But the backing, my backing not as strong as it should be. So that's another reason I'm doing what I'm doing. I got to make myself uncomfortable, right? I got to get comfortable being uncomfortable. Because you know what they say, your comfort zone is your broke zone. And I don't want to be broke. So I'm putting myself in a position to win. I have to master this. And I am. I do this, man. You know, y'all know Jamaica, right? Jamaica can do anything. Man, on top of I'm a kingdom citizen, man. So you know even better. So yeah, but look, appreciate y'all for watching. Make sure y'all subscribe and like, man. It's your boy Landon. I am from Miami, dope. But look, it's gonna be a lot more of these content. A lot more. Okay? Let me show you. Ain't no trailer on. I dropped the trailer off already. Trailer dropped off. Pick up another one in the morning. I'm gonna go to the hotel. Stay tuned though. OTR coming. Stay tuned. I should see if I can find that video when I pointed on the wall. I showed y'all something. I'm not saying it's coming. I'm not saying it's not coming. But stay tuned. Stay tuned, y'all. You know who it is, man. It's your boy Lender, and I am the man. Make sure you subscribe, like, and share, man. It's your boy Lender. I'm out.